This is the Prattley 3-way manual weigh crate. Here it is linked up with a TrueTest EasyWay 7i indicator and a pair of MP600 load bars. For my operations today, I've linked up an SRS2 stick reader from TrueTest. This is the EID reader that will make things very, very fast and efficient when I'm weighing my ewes and my lambs. The drafter is a very simple operation. Rear entry gate, left hand draft gate, right hand draft gate, and your front gate. I can operate all my draft gates while in full view of my weighing indicator.